get rid of this. There's something real cool right here. So let's get to it. What's the deal, YouTube family? It's your boy Doobie Does, and we're back with another video. And today we're about to go grab that toolbox I was telling y'all about so we can be able to knock stuff down on the workbench. Let's get it. Yo YouTube, what's the deal, YouTube family? Alright, so we actually secured the bag, as you can see in the back, but we're just waiting on some people to get their stuff loaded up. We're kind of stuck in the line right now, but hopefully we're out of here soon and we can check out what we actually got. So yeah, alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. Peace. I honestly don't know how I'm about to do this. Not really think about it. Let's see that. I was gonna get a rope and try to lower it, but we got that Chiefs power right now. Let it fall if it. We did that. Hope the echo isn't too bad, but hey, it's been worse, right? Put it on its side because I figured I'm gonna have to put wheels on it anyway. Hopefully this isn't damaged or nothing because I've been having bad luck with buying stuff. I'm not gonna mention the name, but the place I bought this from. I guess we gotta commit and open it, huh? Down this side. Okay. Alright. So these are the casters that it came with. They're, how was it, like plastic? Decent, I guess. Those ones have brakes, and just like throw these ones at the bottom, and we should be good to go. Let's see. And all this stuff has to be cleaned up because we get the car back in here. Sheesh. It's actually nice to have something to set my stuff down on, other than that rack, which was getting mowed. Alright, yeah, so we're gonna take this engine out of this frame real quick. We'll just use one of these old tool mats. I ain't really trying to play with it, I'm just trying to get this thing out. Of course. These. Alright. Get this mug out. Shit. I told him. Have to take the head off. Damn, this is a tight fit. Alright, so we got that out. Good to go. Now we can actually start tearing this thing down, and yeah. Whew. Can't wait for this. Alright, so we're just in here. Got the little setup. I'm actually gonna paint those up, get them matching. One side power tool for now. But we're gonna finish putting a lot of this stuff back in there. We kinda got a lot to do. But yeah. Alright, you guys, we actually got toolbox set up. Got my little jump drawer up top. Little miscellaneous stuff. Probably gonna clean this up and try to figure some stuff out. Second, we got some little wrenches, ratchets, you know. And this is like body stuff, little pullers, the actual puller, yeah, just like body stuff, gloves and blades, like stuff to wrap vehicle. This is gonna be like my sanding drawer. Got some files and yeah, this is taking paper. This is gonna be like spray paint and stuff like that. Gotta toss some of that stuff out. And come back up to the top. Just a few power tools. So that'd be a little power drill for now. Hammers, I showed you that earlier. And this will be like new parts and stuff like that. Only stuff that's new. Until I get a pegboard. I'm thinking about getting a pegboard that goes up here. Probably move the pitch over and get a pegboard that connects to the actual bench. But Yeah, and here just got a bag of miscellaneous dirt bike parts and stuff like that. Heat gun, sander, yeah, extra parts. A little warranty over there. But yeah, this will help out a lot, as you can see. Next step, we're about to tear down this engine, and yeah, so stay tuned. And then we actually cleaned this up over here. I ended up putting the tires up there. I didn't show this in the parts, but we actually got a new rim. You cannot see it, but yeah. So that's gonna be looking good because this old one is mangled. As you can see, it's like a big crack right there, and then it's a big dent on the other side. The front rim's pretty good though, and we've actually hung that white thing on there. But as you can see, Mace is ready to go in. So I'll catch you guys a little bit later. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay safe. Peace.